Bawal na rin picture picture.
Bawal na doon sa loob?
Bawal na po rito.
Bawal mag-post.
Dito po basta ang entrance.
No,
No
posting.
posting at the town entrance please. Wala. Wala magpo-post. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Pasok tayo.
Okay. So this area is the preparation area ng body. You prepare the body here, and then you put the body there, and this is the waiting area. Okay.
Diyan nilagay
So dito. Yan dito. So according sa mga archaeologists. Yes. Okay. So burial